Okay, a factory was required to produce a certain number of computers in 4 days. On the first day, it produced 1/5 of the required number of computers. On the second day, it produced another 45 computers. On the third day, it produced as many computers as those produced on the first 2 days. Okay, which means this is day 1 and day 2. Okay, on the fourth day, it completed the remaining 9 computers. How many computers did the factory produce in 4 days? Okay, actually very easy, this question. Okay, I'm just going to draw a model and then you see what it means. After that, I'm going to list it down, okay? We have 5 parts, right? Five different units because of this 1/5 of the required number of computers. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not days, but this is the computers needed. 1/5 is the first day. The rest of it is for the second plus third plus fourth, which we do not know. I only know 1 unit is for the first. Okay, so I know that this first is 1 unit. I can represent as 1 unit, correct or not? I represent 1 unit. So I'm going to list it down. So first day is 1 unit. Second day is, they say, another 45. So second day is 45 computers, like that. The third day is produce as many computers as those produced in the first 2 days, which means you need to take these 2 and you plus it. Okay, so it will become 1 unit plus 45. Okay, then the remaining 9 computer is on the 4th day, and you have 9, just like that. All right, and you know that all these things, the second, third, and fourth is actually my 4 units. The first unit, 1 unit is here already. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 units. So it starts from the second day onwards. Can see? Okay, so 45 plus 1 unit plus 45 plus 9 equals to 4 units. Okay, so units and units one side equals to 4 unit minus 1 unit. 45 plus 45 plus 9, 99 equals to 3 units. Swap it if you don't get this. You can terbalik it. 3 unit represent 99. 1 unit is 99 divided by 3 equals to 11. 33. How do I get 11? 33. Okay, I don't stop there. How many computers do they produce in the 5 days? I want to know everything, which means 5 unit. 33 times 5 equals to 165. Answer. Easy, right?